I'm Gregory Zengo, the Medical Director of Practical CME. Since 2008, we've offered small group live and online medical training courses that are fully CME accredited. Find out more about our hottest new online course, Principles of Medical Microneedling. Course debuted in 2014 inside of our cosmetic PRP training, and in 2023 became a standalone microneedling training, which can be taken by itself or as a blended online and live hands-on training that we call Fast Track. We accept MDs, DOs, nurse practitioners, physician assistants, and RNs. Our course stands alone as a one-stop shop for providers new to the field, but also for people who want a little more extra training to enhance their practice. Go to our website under the tab Aesthetic Training and click here for more information on the details of our hands-on experiences coupled with our online course. Click here for our CME credit statement. Most others just give you a piece of paper not backed by real CME credits. We give you the real CME credits. And click here for the entire course outline to see everything that we covered during your training. We will give you the most comprehensive evidence-based training in microneedling available anywhere. No matter which date or city you book, all Fast Track courses first start with our streaming online curriculum. You will receive a unique login and password once you reserve your seat. Watch the course at your own pace. We cover every aspect of patient selection and microneedling treatment. We review every FDA-cleared microneedling pen available on the market. But the biggest strength is the over 30 live link citations to the medical literature. Microneedling, more than any other cosmetic service, is often taught by other courses with little regard for the literature. This is dangerous and potentially unsafe for your patients. Word of mouth and social media is not a way to learn a procedure. Our protocols make sure you get the best results and don't jeopardize your license at the same time by using non-FDA cleared products. The online course is updated periodically and all updates are pushed to you at no charge for 2 years. Once you complete the course and pass the online post-test, you can download your first certificate, plus a library of customizable patient forms and consents. Use this first certificate to show proof of training and purchase your microneedling device. In addition to detailed instruction and live links to dozens of articles in the primary literature, we don't stop there. Narrated treatment videos about how to perform microneedling treatments for pigment, anti-aging, and scar treatment are included. Watch as often as you wish in advance of your live date. You can even contact your MD instructor directly from inside the online course for questions that you may have while you're watching and get quick answers and clarifications along the way. Most people already skilled at other injectable procedures like PRP or Botox or dermal filler sometimes take only the online course since the injection technique is often straightforward to master without hands-on training. So many microneedling courses simply don't follow the evidence with regard to depth of needling or the use of topicals during and after the case. Ours was the first and remains the most evidence-based course anywhere. I remain shocked how many current training classes use unapproved equipment and don't understand how to perform the safest and most effective microneedling treatments. If you purchase the full Fast Track course that has a date and a location, then you'll attend the live session and get extra experience in microneedling and injecting PRP at one of our clinical sites. They have an average of 3 to 5 attendees. Everything you do will be under the direct supervision of our experienced faculty. Unlike other courses where you show up cold with no knowledge, at our hands-on, you know all of the basics in advance. This is the only way to retain your new skills while you learn them over multiple days. Our instructors patiently show you every detail of treatment planning, along with performing accurate and effective and virtually painless injections. Once you complete the hands-on, you get your second CME certificate, clearly specifying that you finished the hands-on part of your training. Nobody else gives you 2 certificates like Practical CME's Fast Track training. Most classes from other providers have more than a dozen seats to one instructor. Then when they sell those, they simply open up more seats. This is never how Practical CME trains you. For about the same price, you can get real CME credits, at least one MD instructor, and when we sell additional seats, we clearly show you. And once the final seat is reserved, the class is marked sold out. We have only around 100 highly coveted hands-on seats per year across all of our live Fast Track sites. That's why more than half of our attendees fly in from out of state to take our training courses. Look, it's your license and your career. Don't waste your time and money on unaccredited large group training. Only Practical CME has no sponsors controlling the curriculum. At least one MD instructor for each of our online or fast track training courses, and you can watch as often as you wish with free updates over a 2-year period. Renew after 2 years for a nominal fee and generate a new CME certificate and a new set of credits for your next license renewal. We train an average of 3 to 5 at each hands-on site, so you'll always get one-on-one supervised education. Experience matters. You're about to embark on a new service which will enhance your skill set and increase your earning potential, but only if you make patients happy and they want to return. Practical CME gives you all of the tools and the support to make this a reality. If you still have questions, go ahead and ask. Hit our live chat button on the bottom right of your screen. Maybe you will even chat directly with me. Ask us anything. You will always have contact with our faculty before, during, and after your training. Look, don't settle for less. Reserve your seat today and start learning tonight. The next step in your career starts right here, right now, today.